Shafiri Manyara, welcome back to Matumza Productions, back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your vocals from sounding like this.
I can't help my heart beating out this chest when I see you there. I know you're no good, I know you're no good.
Sounding like this.
I know you're no good for me, but I can't help my heart beating out this chest when I see you there.
Using Audimee's AI vocal conversion tool, which you can check in the link in the description down below. Shout out to the Audimee team for sponsoring today's video. So you just might be asking yourselves, what is Audimee? Well, it's a voice-to-voice platform which uses 130 plus vocal tools which you guys can access on the website. It has different vocalists from reggae, from deep house. It's a wide variety. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can take a vocal stem which is ready and you can just literally convert it to any voice that is on the platform, which is kind of crazy when you think about it, because also you can just hop on the mic and find your own vocalist, which royalty free. I mean, it makes something dope, you can release the song and do your own thing. So the platform utilizes tools such as vocal conversion, pitch correcting, you can make harmonies and a lot of different things, but today we're just going to be focusing on the conversion of your vocals. So without wasting any more time, gents, let's get into the video. So these are the vocal stems that I recorded. They sound something like this.
I know you're no good, I know you're no good for me, but I can't help my heart beating out this chest when I see you there. I know you're no good, I know you're no good for me, but I can't help my heart beating out this chest when I see you there. I know you're no good, I know you're no good for me, but I can't help my heart beating out this chest when I see you there.
So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Audimee's AI tool to pretty much pick a wide variety of vocals and change them from sounding like this to the vocals from the website. So I then went onto the site and I searched and I found Nessa. So her vocal sounded something like this.
Every night, every day.
So as I heard that vocal, I was like, okay, I think that's gonna fit for what I'm trying to do today. So I then drag and dropped the vocal stem, the original one, and then I converted it. After transforming it, this is what we have.
I know you're no good, I know you're no good for me, but I can't help my heart beating out this chest when I see you there. I know you're no good, I know you're no good for me, but I can't help my heart beating out this chest when I see you there. I know you're no good, I know you're no good for me, but I can't help my heart beating out this chest when I see you there.
This is so crazy, bro. Like how I just took these things and now it's a completely different voice. Nah, this is a crazy feature, guys. I won't lie. Like the first time I heard these vocals, I was blown away. Nah, this is an insane tune. Shout out to the people at Audimee for sponsoring this video and for giving us such a dope tool for producers. You know, I'm someone who likes to play around and experiment, so this is a tool I can definitely see using in my production, especially when I'm just trying to get a quick idea down and I'm not able to pull together a session, you know. So this tool is very great when, you know, you're trying to have a vocal idea and you want to see what kind of vocal range is going to work for your project, you know. So very easy to use, like I showed you. Once again, thank you to the guys at Audimee. So just to quickly recap on today's video on what we did, we took raw vocals that I recorded, and then pretty much you can record on anything, you know. Even if you don't have a mic, you can go and take your phone, go ahead, record some vocals and then clean them up, and then just go onto the website, convert the vocals from your raw vocals to the many different vocalists that are there on the website. You can choose what you like, what sounds good to your ear, and pretty much make a song. And that's the end of the video, gents. Thank you for watching. Thank you to the guys at Audimee once again for sponsoring today's video. If you guys are interested in this service, I'll leave a link in the description which will give you a discount when you use my promo code Matumza Productions 30. And yeah, just sign up, man. If you guys are interested in the service, you've got nothing to lose, you know what I'm saying? Like, just be creative, my chance, be creative. But yeah, once again, thank you to Audimee, and until the next video, gents, down home.